Hi guys, K-Pox Jungle here, and you won't believe it, we're at the turtle caves in Kauai. And as we see here, we found a turtle. Let's give you guys a close look so we can actually see them cook. Looks like he's headed down. See him? Beautiful creatures, aren't they? Turtles are quite the species. Unlike their land relatives, the sea turtle have like smoother shells and more flipper kind of fins, like can swim better in the water. They eat jellyfish and seagrass and other things. Quite the beautiful little creatures they are. Sucks that some species are endangered though. That's why we gotta protect the wild. But hey, while you're protecting the wild, remember, stay wild.